If you want to get started with Elysium, you can find out how to download and register here. Our tour guide Nikos is currently preparing for his next tour and thinking about ways to improve the experience for his guests.
What can I do to make sure everyone in a large group understands me? Is there a way to communicate in a noisy atmosphere without straining my voice? What are some ways to stay sustainable and avoid purchasing expensive hardware?
Nico starts looking for a suitable app.
Tour guide system.
He finds Elysium in the App Store. He reads the description of the app and is impressed by the possibility of turning his smartphone into a tour guide system. He appreciates the convenience of his guests being able to listen via their own smartphones. Elysium can be downloaded quickly and is ready to use, perfect for the next tour. Eli, whom you will find next to Nikos, is friendly and eager to aid you in exploring the app. You will love Eli, the heart of our app. Her blue hair is a symbol of curiosity and creativity. And she is always striving to improve to provide you with the ultimate tour experience.
Hey Eli, we're about to witness the amazing app you represent.
The guide realizes that logging in using their phone number, email, Google or Apple account is a breeze. He decides to continue with Google. Once registered, our guide receives free licenses directly to his account. Thanks to free licenses, Nico is now able to spontaneously test Elysium with any listener.
Let's give the Elysium app a try and see how it performs. Test, test. Test, test. Ah, great, it works.
After a successful trial run, the guide is convinced that Elysium is the best option to provide his guests with a unique and captivating tour.
Reach everyone in a large group. Clear communication in a noisy environment without straining your voice? Yes, that's possible. Stay sustainable and avoid expensive hardware? You can do all of it with Elysium.
Now it's your turn. Download Elysium now and give it a try for yourself.